For first responders, every second counts. Feniex meets that challenge head-on with high-quality, American-made products that are reliable and simple to operate. No two departments are the same. That's why Feniex offers customizable options for every application. The Canon Hideaway defines versatility. Small enough to fit any space and bright enough for any environment. With single or dual color options, the choice is yours at no extra cost. Our sirens and speakers are designed with efficiency in mind. Simplified functionality and handheld mic options help save you time in any emergency. Your budget goes further when you outfit your vehicle with Feniex's industry-leading lightbar packages. Each lightbar is built to order. Choose from our Geo Amber modules or Fusion line of products for integrated and high performance that lasts. Be confident in the quality of our products. Each and every light and siren is built and tested right here in Austin, Texas. Take control of any emergency with Feniex, the quickest and easiest choice for your upfitting needs. It's that simple.